Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a before and after tune-up report for Rodney in Kentucky on this Stryker 655. Rodney, we talked a little bit on the messenger and on the phone, and told me what you had going on here as far as the radio and just not seeing the average power you're looking for, and a little bit low on modulation, not really driving your amps good. You wanted a tune-up video, you selected that. For those of you who don't know, that is in the custom orders options on my website, truckcbsales.com. And you select that. You want the tune alignment also, voltage regulator upgrade, and a customized name. So we'll get that put in there as well. Just want to show you what it's doing first. Now I know you get your beep on. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off for a moment. The RF power is all the way down. This is the way it come in, 50 watt slug. You're keying about half a watt. Hello, hello, hello. 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 250 watt slug on the right. Hello, 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 hello. 1111111. Audio, audio, audio. I mean, it's really not even talking 15 watts. And the average power is not even moving. So I understand your struggles with driving an amp. Now all the way up, you're keying about 12 watts. Hello, 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 hello. 1 2 1 2. Audio, 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 audio. You're swinging forward to about 14 watts average. So you're swinging 1 watt forward average, and you're swinging to about 75 on the peaks. So we're gonna go through this thing, get you fixed up, and it's gonna be a dramatic difference. We'll be return. And we're back. Okay, Shaggy, Mr. Rodney, we got you all fixed up. Our tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade. Put your Shaggy 77 right there, and let's show you what we got. If you remember before, with your RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug, you're keying that 1.5 watts or so, and it was not twitching forward at all on average power, right? Hello, hello, hello. So you're getting 22 bird average now. So you've increased by 20 times your average power. Let's look at your peak. Your peak was around 70. We got a 250 watt slug. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Easily 100 watts. Let's roll it up now to 20 watts. You were twitching forward, I think, a couple watts. Hello. Now you're doing 46 bird. Peak power, of course, hello, 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 hello. Still a little over 100 watts. Now, we didn't upgrade the finals in this. I got with Shaggy, and for what he's wanting to use it for, we want to stay around that 100 watt range. Okay, Shaggy, we'll get it up to you, man. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump up.